Hi everyone, I am for the first time in Prague. Wow, what a beautiful city. Behind me you see the National Museum. The capital city of Czech Republic has something for everyone. There are majestic castles, charming bridges, cozy cafes and bustling markets. Let's explore this beautiful city together. This is the Prague astronomical clock that was first installed in 1410. This is the third oldest astronomical clock in the world, and it is globally the oldest clock still in operation. It was a lovely day in Prague, but this is the best moment. Let's eat. The lunch was good. I had a pizza tonno, and pizza tonno costs here around 540 Czech crown. 1 euro is equal to 24 Czech crown. I am now on a floating boat restaurant in Prague, and here you see the Vltava river. This is the longest river in Czech Republic with a stunning view. Good morning, day number 2 in beautiful Prague. One of the masterpieces, the historic masterpieces in Prague, is Charles Bridge. This is a medieval stone arch bridge that crosses the Vltava river and connects the old town with the lesser town. As you can see, it offers a breathtaking view of Prague Castle and the surrounding skyline. It's lovely to see this. Sad to see, but this is also part of Prague. I have the last lunch in Prague. It was very much fun to be here. I highly recommend this beautiful city to all of you. Thanks for watching. Serbia.